Are you tired of AI image generators cutting you off after just a few tries? If you're serious about creating stunning visuals without hitting paywalls, then you need to see these top free AI image generators. We're talking unlimited generations, incredible quality, and absolutely no cost. Kicking off the list at number 8, we've got Bing AI Image Creator. Launched in March 2023, it was one of the first platforms to offer free AI image generation. With simple access and reliable results, it helped bring AI image tools to a wider audience. The tool gives you 15 fast generations per day. After that, you can continue generating as much as you like, just at a slower speed. There are only minimal control options, so you'll need to write a full prompt that includes the art style, lighting, and subject you want. What makes Bing stand out is its stability and unlimited use. It's been free since launch and remains a reliable choice for anyone exploring AI image generation. That said, it hasn't seen much progress over the years. Even after 2 years, the prompt system and model remain the same. Still, Bing AI Image Creator is a solid choice if you want a stable, free, and unlimited way to generate images with decent quality, with no upgrades or surprises. At number 7 is Unstability AI, a free image tool that started as a community project inspired by Stable Diffusion and now runs fully independently using its own model. Free users get 52 generation credits per day, with each image costing 1 credit. You can adjust the number of images to 2 if you don't want to waste all your generations. Unstability is mainly built for character generation and performs best in that area. You can still create other image types, but the results aren't as strong outside of characters. The interface is acceptable with style presets and aspect ratio controls. The platform is fully so there are no prompt restrictions. It also has a very strong Discord fan base with over 350,000 members. The downside is that it doesn't have a public gallery and weak prompt coherence. Overall, Unstability AI is a great pick if you want free daily credits, strong anime character generation, and full creative freedom with no prompt limits. Up next at number 6 is HiDream, a creative AI tool that runs on its own model, gives unlimited free generations, and delivers clean, medium-quality results. One of its best features is the Inspirations Gallery. You type in what you want to create, and it shows you a gallery of related images with detailed prompt lines. You can add those lines and make it your own prompt. This is especially useful if you only have a rough idea or just a few words in mind. The main downside is that it's not the real HiDream AI. The official version is at hydreamai.com and is developed by a China-based company. But to my surprise, this unofficial version offers better results and faster generation. If you want unlimited fast image generation with clean outputs and an easy way to build prompts visually, this version of HiDream is a strong choice. It may not be official, but it works better than the original. Moving on to number 5, CapCut Dreamina is a free AI image tool developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. The tool gives 450 credits per day, which allows for about 50 generations. Dreamina is also part of a growing creative suite with a video generator currently in beta and an AI avatar tool coming soon. It supports multiple aspect ratios and keeps all content safe and appropriate for general use. Although their model CDream 3.0 holds the second position on the Hugging Face text-to-image leaderboard, the actual output feels underwhelming. The drawback is the generation speed. One image can take up to 10 to 15 minutes or even more, which slows things down. It would rank higher if it were faster. Some key features include the ability to use a reference image, add text directly into the image, and make edits as well. Up next at number 4 is GenTube, a unique AI image generator that offers free and unlimited image creation using a tag-based prompt system. It runs on its own in-house Flux model and feels more like a place for creative experiments than a tool for generating precise results. GenTube functions as a community platform where every user has a profile, a public gallery, and the ability to remix or explore creations from others. You create images by clicking the prompt blocks you like, and it generates the image for you live. The interface isn't very beginner-friendly. It can feel messy at first, and navigating through shared content and profiles takes some getting used to. The overall design looks like an AI image generator from the medieval age, quirky, raw, and a bit chaotic. But if you want instant results, unlimited use, and a creative way to explore AI visuals through tags, GenTube is a fun and powerful option, even if the layout is a bit clunky. It is so unusual that you should try it at least once just for the experience. It is honestly mind-blowing. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Coming in at number 3 is Recraft AI. Recraft is a flexible image tool designed for both generation and editing. It also includes upscaling, background removal, vector output, and mock-up previews for product designs. Another highlight is the wide range of styles. Recraft offers up to 38 different styles to choose from, giving you more creative control over the final look of your images. On the free tier, you get 50 credits daily. Each action costs 2 credits and usually gives you 2 results. This gives you about 25 uses per day, whether you're generating new images or enhancing existing ones. The interface is clean and intuitive, with built-in controls for aspect ratio and style. All content remains safe and suitable for work. Overall, Recraft AI is a great all-in-one tool for image creation and editing, with diverse styles and pro features, though the free credits can run out fast. Then we have PicLumen at second place. It's a clean and user-friendly AI image generator that launched in August 2024. Safe for all ages, it works well for both beginners and experienced users. Although PicLumen isn't listed on the Hugging Face leaderboard, its image quality is very impressive. In many cases, it can rival premium tools like Midjourney. The platform's latest addition is their flagship model, Primo, which is only available through a paid plan. Their second best model, PicLumen Art version 1, is available to all and delivers strong, photorealistic results. It originally launched with unlimited free access, but usage limits and paid plans were later introduced. Now, the current free tier allows up to 36 generations per day, which is a decent offer, but the limit may feel a bit restrictive once you start creating regularly. One of its standout features is the Prompt Magic offers preset styles like neon, comic, pixel art, and 3D animation, giving users a simple way to explore different looks. It is especially helpful for those who are not familiar with AI art styles. With high-quality output, PicLumen is a beginner-friendly tool with photorealistic results and helpful prompt features, though its daily limit might feel tight for frequent users. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. The best free AI image generator is none other than Google ImageFX. ImageFX stands out for its ability to generate highly realistic and detailed photos, often rivaling the output of paid tools. It runs on Google's Imagen 3 model, which is currently ranked 7th on the Hugging Face text-to-image leaderboard. Despite the ranking, the image quality is exceptional and can easily compete with the top tools available. While many users are familiar with platforms like Midjourney or ChatGPT's image tools, ImageFX often gets overlooked. This is mostly because it lives inside the Gemini Labs section, which many users never check. As a result, it remains one of the most underrated free options on the market. You can generate between 100 high-quality images per day. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, with features like prompt suggestions, visual style chips, and aspect ratio controls to help guide your results. The only drawback is its limited availability. ImageFX is currently accessible in around 73 countries. If it is not available in your region, you can still access it using a VPN. Even with this drawback, ImageFX is still the top free image generator for photorealistic results, offering up to 100 images a day with a smooth interface. Trust me, it's worth using a VPN to access ImageFX. So the ranking are mainly based on how many images you can generate per day, the quality of the results, and how easy each site is to use. But at the end of the day, what matters most is finding a free tool that gives you enough daily generations to keep creating. Every tool on this list still offers solid free usage. If you bookmark and rotate them, you won't run into limits. And if you do, just log in with another Gmail account for a fresh start. I do that all the time. So try them out and see which one works best for you. If I missed your favorite, feel free to drop it in the comments and let me know.